If you want to put an amazing cake together for the holidays and impress your family, Whitney is here to show us how to do it. Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. Thanks for joining us on Christmas Eve.
Thank you for having me. This is such a fun time of year.
We just love having you here. Okay, so you are an amazing cake decorator. I call you like the cake whisperer. Is that like a thing? You really are.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Look at this, Whitney. This is so pretty. You're going to show us how to make this tree. We're going to do like little ones, right?
Yep. Yeah, this is something that everyone can do. We did something very similar with our cute pumpkin cake for Halloween.
Yes, we did.
And so I thought I would show you guys how to use your piping tips to create something beautiful.
So you're saying we can do this at home. I mean, I know it's not going to be as amazing as you, but you're going to show us how to do that.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the whole reason I wanted to show you guys this. That way everyone can make a yummy treat for Christmas Day.
And we can look good while doing it.
That's right.
You're going to impress your guests.
Look at us.
Look at us, right? Okay, so tell us what we need for this.
So I am starting with a pastry bag. I like using a bigger pastry bag. I have my buttercream. I've just colored that with my food coloring. Then I have some pastry tips. This is the Wilton 1M. It is just a classic rosette tip.
Okay.
And then we have a number 32, which is just going to be a cute little design as well.
And where can you find these if we need to get all these items?
You can find them on Amazon, Walmart, Target,
pretty easy around.
Hobby Lobby, everywhere, pretty much. And so all we're doing right here is twist the top of your pastry bag.
You don't want an accident for it to come out the other end.
We're going to switch it this side so we can do something fun.
Okay,
so
let's see.
I'm going to pick my little point, and all I'm going to do is do a little swirl and then twist it off.
Oh my gosh, Whitney.
And so I'm just going to do a few of these.
And you just kind of build gradually, depending if you want like a little tree, if you want like a taller tree like the one that you did.
Yes, and so what I'm going to have you do, I want you to build your own Christmas tree right here.
Okay.
And I have this tip, and I'm going to work on the other side.
Okay, I'm going to work on, you just did little circles.
Yep.
Little circle, little circle. You can whistle while you work. You can talk while you work. It makes it a lot better.
Honestly,
oh, this isn't going well.
Whitney,
this is not going well.
With buttercream is if you do mess up, put it in the freezer. I actually just did a video about this yesterday. If you mess up, put it in the freezer, wipe it off, start over.
Oh, that's a good idea. You can kind of just redo it.
Yes.
Okay, do you want to see mine? Let's see. Should we show?
Oh my goodness.
This is
Carrie,
mine.
look at that.
This is Whitney's.
You guys.
This is mine. I feel like it's decent. We're getting
It
there.
is.
Okay, I may add a little like thing on the top for the tree. And you teach classes too, right?
I do. So we do online virtual classes, or we do in-person classes. We both do cake and macaron classes. But honestly, if you follow me on my Instagram, you'll see that I do so many fun like learning techniques with macarons and cakes, and doing things like this is what I love teaching you guys.
She really does love it. And you know what? Her Instagram page is so fun to follow because you can see all the cakes she's creating and she'll show little videos. Where can we follow you?
At The Blonde Who Bakes on TikTok or Instagram.
I love it so much. Merry Christmas Eve. Thanks for being here, Whitney.
Merry Christmas.
Great to see you.
You too.